Hello friends, welcome to Bindu Dadwal Chemistry Lessons. The topic for today is electronic configuration and types of elements. Depending on the electronic configuration, we can divide elements into S, P, D and F block elements. The long form of periodic table has been divided into 4 blocks. The group 1 and 2 are the S block elements because the last electron in these elements enters the S subshell. Similarly, group number 13, 18 have been divided into P block elements because the last electron enters the P subshell. The group 3 to 12 comprises of D block elements. Last electron enters the D subshell. The bottom 2 series are called the F block elements because last electron enters the F subshell. 1. S block elements. S block of periodic table includes those elements in which the last electron is filled in the valence S subshell of the outermost energy shell. There are only 2 groups. So these 2 groups are called alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. The group 1 has 1 electron in the outermost shell and group 2 has 2 electrons in the outermost shell. So the group 1 is called alkali metals: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Group 2, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium are called the alkaline earth metals. These 2 groups, group 1 and 2, belong to the S block elements. The characteristics of S block elements: all the elements are soft metals. They have low melting and boiling points. They are highly reactive in nature, do not occur in the free or native state, and reactivity increases down the group. Most of them impart characteristic color to the flame. For example, sodium imparts gold and yellow color to the flame. They form ionic compounds by losing 1 or 2 valence electrons and thus show oxidation state of +1 and +2 in their compounds. Only compounds of lithium and beryllium are covalent in nature, others are ionic. The S block elements are good reducing agents. All of them are good conductors of heat and electricity. And general electronic configuration of S block elements is NS 1 to 2 electrons. P block elements. The elements in which the last electron is filled in the valence P subshell are included in the P block of the periodic table. There are 6 groups in this block and general electronic configuration is NS2, NP 1 to 6. So group number 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 belong to P block elements. The last electron in these elements enters the P subshell. Characteristics of P block elements. P block elements include both metals and non-metals. In each group, metallic character increases from top to bottom, while in each period the non-metallic character increases from left to the right. The compounds of these elements are mostly covalent in nature. Most of the elements show variable oxidation state, more than 1. In every period, the reducing character of element decreases from left to right, while in the oxidizing character increases. In moving from left to right in a period, the non-metallic character of the element increases. On moving down in a group, the metallic character increases. The oxides of most of the elements are acidic in nature, and reactivity of elements present in a group generally increases downwards. Elements present in group 18 are called noble gases. These are group 18 elements. They are called noble gases. Their general electronic configuration is NS2, NP6 except for helium, which is NS2. First shell can have only maximum 2 electrons. Elements present in group 17 are called halogens, sea salt forming. these the salts found in sea water are chlorides, bromides and iodides. Elements belonging to group 16 are called chalcogens, the ore forming elements. Most of the ores of the metals are either oxides, sulfides or selenides, etc. The elements belonging to S and P collectively are called representative elements. Next is the D block elements. The elements in which the last electron enters the D subshell of the last but one penultimate energy level are called D block elements. There are 10 vertical columns or groups in the D block, numbered 3 to 12, and general electronic configuration is n-1 D 1 to 10, ns 1 to 2. So these group 3 to 12, all these elements are D block elements. They are also called transition elements because they have incompletely filled D orbitals in their ground state or in any of their oxidation states. There are 4 transition series in the D block. Characteristics of D block elements. They are all metals with high melting and boiling points. Most of the D block elements form colored compounds which are normally of complex nature. They show variable oxidation states. Compounds of elements are generally paramagnetic in nature. Large number of D block elements such as iron, cobalt, nickel, manganese, chromium, platinum, vanadium, etc. act as catalysts. They have also tendency to form alloys with other metals. The elements present in group 12 of the D block, zinc, cadmium, mercury, copernicium, have completely filled D orbitals and D10 configuration. As such, they do not fulfill the definition of transition elements which have incomplete D orbitals in ground state or in any of their excited states. However, these are still included in D block because the last electron enters the D subshell. The F block elements, in these elements the filling of last electron takes place in the n-2 F subshell. It's also called anti-penultimate subshell. General electronic configuration of F block elements is n-2 F 1 to 14, n-1 D 0 to 1 and ns2. The F block elements are also called inner transition elements because filling of electron takes place in n-2 F subshells, which happen to be the one inner subshell to the D block elements or transition elements. There are 2 series of F block elements, each having 14 elements. They are placed at the bottom of the periodic table. So first series is called lanthanoids, consisting of elements from atomic number 58 to 71. The second series is also called actinoids. In these, the last electron enters the 5F subshell and it begins from atomic number 90 thorium to atomic number 103 lawrencium. All the elements of these 5F series or actinoids are radioactive in nature. Characteristics of F block elements. The F block elements are heavy metals. They have generally high melting and boiling points. Just like D block elements, these elements also form complex salts and show variable oxidation states. +3 is the common oxidation state. Compounds of these elements are generally colored, and most of the elements of the actinoid series are radioactive in nature. Apart from this, we can also classify the elements of the periodic table into metals, non-metals and metalloids. The elements shown in pink are semi-metals or metalloids. So how do they differ from each other? In terms of position in periodic table, metals are present on the left side and center of periodic table, non-metals are present on the right side of periodic table, and semi-metals or metalloids are the borderline elements between the metals and the non-metals. Then properties: metals are hard, electropositive, good conductors of heat and electricity, malleable, that is they can be drawn into sheets, and ductile, they can be formed into wires. On the other hand, the non-metals are soft, electronegative, poor conductors of heat and electricity, brittle, that can be broken easily, and metalloids, these are having properties of both, common to the both metals and non-metals. The number of metals, most of the elements are metallic, so its number of metals are more. Non-metals are less, about 22 in number, and metalloids are only 8 in number. The trend of property change: the metallic character increases down the group and decreases along a period. The non-metallic character decreases down the group and increases along the period. We can also classify elements into noble gases, representative elements, transition elements, and inner transition elements. So elements belonging to group 18 are called noble gases. They are also called inert gases. Their outer electronic configuration is Ns2np6 except for helium. Then the elements of S block and elements of P block are called representative elements. Noble gases are not included in the representative elements as they form a separate group. Then elements of D block are called transition elements. All the D block elements come in this group. The elements of F block are called inner transition elements. They are in two series, lanthanoids and actinoids. Actinoids are radioactive, man-made. All the elements after uranium are also called transuranic elements. So these are the different classifications of the elements in periodic table.